So suppose we have this integral from a to b of f of x dx, okay, any integral, and we can change the variable by doing this. X is equal to a plus b minus t. Okay, so then we change the variable. This is function of a plus b minus t, right? And then dx is minus dt, and the limits of integration is when x goes to a, right, then t has to go to b, and the other way around. So you get this, right? But this is equal to this, f of a plus b minus t dt, right? So you see that you can, how to say this, write the original integral as an average of this, okay, right? This and this thing is the same, so we have the integral I, or if you want, my integral from a to b of f. So I is not a function of x, sorry. Let's just write this. This is 1/2 of the integral from a to b of f plus f a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so let's use this, for instance, to compute this integral from 0 to pi over 2 dx 1 plus the square root of the tangent of x. Okay, if you don't have this trick, now this integral is a tricky one, right? This is very hard to do, but we're going to see that with this trick this is fairly easy to do. Okay, so between 0 and pi over 2, this function, let's see, at 0 the tangent is 0, right? And so this is 1 over 1, so that's bounded. Between 0 and pi over 2, the tangent is positive, so this is never going to be negative, right? So this function is bounded in the tangent will go to infinity at pi over 2, but 1 over the tangent will not. Okay, so it will be between 1 and 0, right? This is a decreasing function in this integral, right? And so let's see, let's use this formula, right? So this is 1/2 of 0, the integral between 0 and pi over 2 of dx 1 plus the square root of the tangent plus, and then we have dx 1 plus the square root of the tangent of pi over 2 minus x. Okay, now we need to know that this is going to be equal to the cotangent of x. Okay, because the sine of pi over 2 minus x is going to be the cosine, and the cosine of pi over 2 minus x is going to be the sine. Okay, and so now we have to integrate 1 over 1 plus the square root of the tangent plus 1 over 1 plus the square root of the cotangent between 0 and pi over 2, right? So let's see if we can simplify this thing. Well, we have to put everything in the same denominator, and so this is just 1 plus the square root of the cotangent plus 1 plus the square root of the tangent. Okay, then we erase this thing. And now we have, well, this is 2 plus this, and if we expand this, we have 1 plus the square root of the tangent plus the square root of the cotangent plus the square root of the tangent times the cotangent, right? But the tangent times the cotangent is 1, so the square root of 1 is just 1. So you can see that the numerator and the denominator is the same thing. This is the integral of 1. Okay, so this is the integral of 1 between 0 and pi over 2. This is pi over 2 divided by 2 pi over 4. And that's it. That's the integral, as easy as that. Okay. Well, see if you can solve this integral by using the same method that we have done, and that's the end of this lesson.